Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I hope you enjoy this content. Check out some of my other content and subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below of what you think of the nail design I do and the products I used in this video. So today's video, I am reviewing a polygel kit that I got from Makartt, that I purchased from Makartt. And I am actually going to be using Peel Off Base Coat for the first time. So this kit is called Life of a Rose, and it is a 4-color polygel kit. And basically it comes with a lot of the things we see standard in kits, the instructions, a thank you card, you get dual forms, a file, and then you get a brush that is a tool on the other side. You also get a top and a base coat, and those are 1/4 ounce each. I'm not using any of those products from this video because I already have open Makartt products. So I'm just going to be using the brush from the pink kit and the top and base coat from the pink kit that I have previously reviewed on this channel. So the colors that you get, you do get 4 colors, and those are 15 milliliter tubes. And those colors are called Bud, Bloom, Hip, and Wilted. And I did swatch them off camera, so I'm going to show you the colors. And yep, there are the colors. So those are the colors again, Bud, Bloom, Hip, and Wilted. So I think these colors are pretty cohesive. I'm actually going to use 2 of the colors for the design today. First, I wanted to show you this Peel Off Base Coat I got. It's called Unt or Unt, not really sure, but I did see it reviewed on a channel, and I really regret I didn't save that video because I wanted to give a shout out to that channel. But basically the way that she applies her Peel Off Base Coat is the application that I want to use. If I remember who it is, I'll go ahead and link her video in the description box below. So basically, what I have on my nails is full coverage tips that I applied with acrylic. And I did cut those down and file those down, and pretty thin. And then I added a top coat. So basically, I just did a fill with acrylic over that initial Gel X dupe tip, and then filed those down pretty thin, added a top coat, and then I'm adding the Peel Off Base Coat on top of that. And the reason for that is the lady said in her video that basically you can just pop off the nail from the top coat. So when you're doing the Peel Off Base Coat, if it's on a smooth surface, it makes it easier to remove. But I'm not really sure, like I don't see these nails budging. They've been on for a couple of days and they have not budged. So I don't know how this is going to work out. But I wanted to try it for multiple reasons, which we'll get into at some point in another video. So I am just going in with a thin layer of the polygel. And on this nail, I'm applying it with the base coat. And then on the other nails, I did one with alcohol, and then I did the third nail with the slip solution that came in the pink kit. And I'll actually link that video for you guys because I have mentioned it a couple times. So I'll link that video for you guys in the cards above. And the reason I used all different things is kind of just to show you how the difference is in using different things in applying the polygel. For me, the base coat, I like better when I'm working with firmer polygels, which Makartt is a firmer polygel. The only thing with this method is that when you want to add more polygel to like an area that is missing, it tends to make the polygel a little bit slippery. So it's better to flash cure before you add the additional polygel. So when you want to go in and just, if you have a lump or a dip or anything like that, or you have a spot that isn't as opaque, just flash cure. And what I mean by flash cure, you just want to put that in the lamp for like 10 to 15 seconds. You will always have to fully cure everything after flash curing. Flash curing does not fully cure your nails. So that's the nail that I went in with the base coat. The second nail, I went in with the alcohol. And the third nail, again, I went in with the slip solution from the pink kit. And it wasn't a huge difference in application, mainly because these are shorter nails. I feel like if I was doing longer nails, that I probably would have used base coat for the entire thing. So here I'm just doing a smile line. I'm going to get the shape that I like, that I want, and then I'm going to fully cure that. And then when I pull that out of the lamp, I am going to shape it up a little bit with my file. One thing that I want to say about this Polygel, the darker color that I used, which is Wilted, I didn't fully cure that. So when I was filing, I realized, okay, I didn't fully cure this Polygel. So for the darker, more pigmented colors, I would highly suggest going in and giving that a little bit longer of a cure. So you're supposed to be able to cure Polygel within 60 seconds. I would give that an additional minute, if not another minute and a half, just depending on how thick your application was. You don't want to have uncured gel products on your nails or on your skin because it will cause allergies and damage to your nails and your skin. Trust me, I know. So definitely make sure that if you are using a darker or higher pigmented color, that you do cure it a little bit longer. Okay guys, I just want to say one more time, make sure that you give this color or any darker, more pigmented polygels a little bit of an extra cure, just to make sure it's cured all the way through. And I didn't show all my nails on camera because it was kind of repetitive, but this is what they look like after I've cured them. So I am gonna go ahead and file and shape and debulk some of these nails. I have a hard time not making my shorties look bulky, but that's what they look like after I have filed and shaped them. So now I'm going in with some transfer foil glue from Venalisa. I did get this off AliExpress. I do have an upcoming gel polish review of Venalisa's gel polish. It is one of my favorite inexpensive brands of gel polish, so I do have that coming up. But basically with this transfer foil glue, I am just going to cure that in the lamp for a minute and then just apply my foil. I do have a video that I used a foil glue versus star glue, so I'm gonna link that for you guys in the description box. I'm sorry, I'm gonna link that for you guys in the cards above, because some people don't have UV LED lamps, or some people don't want to use them. So just you can check out this video as a reference point if you don't want to use a transfer foil glue that you have to cure in the lamp. So you can see my thoughts on that. This Venalisa glue, I have only played with it a little bit, but so far I like it, and I do like it more than the brand that I used in the previous video. So just stay tuned for more use of that. So I'm just going to go in with Makartt's top coat, and that's pretty much it. I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. For me, I actually mean 2 minutes, because I like to cure it longer because I swear it's shinier. But I've used this top coat before, and I do like Makartt's top coat a lot. A couple of my favorites are Makartt, Beetles. I do like Madam Glam, and I do like Not Polish's top coat. So basically, I'm going to leave the link to this kit in the description box below. If you go to Makartt's website, you can use my code for 15% off. I have also added it to my Amazon storefront in addition to the peel off base coat. So those are in my Amazon storefront. I don't have discount codes for Amazon. But yeah, I like how this design came out. I think it's a little bit bulky, but overall I like how it came out. And I did use my cuticle butters to moisturize my hands because, like I've said before, my hands have been so dry. I am restocking the cuticle butters to my website, and I'm adding some additional scents as well. So I'm just showing you what I use. I use the Vinalisa Transfer Foil, the Peel Off Base Coat, the Polygel from Makartt, and I did use Transfer Foil, and I'm going to link in the cards an organization video, because this is how I organize my foils so they're not like all over the place and taking up so much space. But you guys definitely let me know what you think of this video. I hope you enjoyed the content. I did keep the video a little bit short for you guys. So definitely let me know what you guys think about the shorter videos, or do you kind of like my 20-25 minute videos? Let me know what you think in the description box, in the comment section below. And let me know what you think of the kit. Let me know what you think of my nails. I think they came out pretty cute. I'm getting better at this shorty thing, trying not to make them bulky. But make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. If you're looking for additional content, make sure that you check out my featured channels on my page, and there is some more nail content for you there. There are additional channels that I feature on my page. Definitely make sure you like this video, make sure you leave a comment, make sure that you're subscribed, and all that other good stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I appreciate you spending your time with me, and I will see you soon for another video.